Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to screen record in ClickUp, you just simply have to open any of the browsers into your computer, and into the browser just simply open this site of app.clickup.com. Now, after coming into this site, you will get to see this so many options into the right side of your screen. Now, among them, you will see this record a clip option. In order to screen record, you just simply have to tap into this record a clip option, or you can tap Windows Alt and S key into your keyboard together. Just simply do any of those and then choose either of no microphone or full screen option and then click to start recording option. And after doing this, you can easily record your screen into ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.